Hi guys, Frank here with Spyderco with some great gift ideas for under the Christmas tree or in your stocking. As you know, Spyderco has been making knives and sharpeners for a very long time, but we also do a lot of cool accessories. We've got these great model kits, Delica 4, and also a Dragonfly. Delica 4 comes in glow-in-the-dark plastic and the Dragonfly is a wooden model. These are fully functioning models, so the locks work. You can really get a cool idea of how the knives function. Make a great gift for kids or anyone who just wants to learn more about these knives. We also have a nice selection of hats and bandanas, and then we have these great mugs. My personal favorite of the batch is this handmade pottery mug, made right here in the USA, and it's got Sal's "The Edge is a Ghost" quote on it. Very cool. All right, so now let's get into the knives. First up, we have these counter puppies. This is a great little kitchen utility knife. I keep a serrated one on my bar. It's really great for slicing limes or sort of anything else I need to do around cutting fruit or vegetables or anything like that. It also has these cool little legs on it which keep your blade from touching your counter or cutting board and kind of keep stuff clean, which is pretty cool. Next up, we've got the Watu. The Watu is a pretty cool design. It's basically a scaled down version of our Chalkway. It's got carbon fiber G10 laminate scales, this really unique blade shape in CPM 20 CV, and of course the compression lock, which is my personal favorite lock. A portion of the sales from the Watu go to Keep a Child Alive, which is a great organization, so you can feel really good about your purchase. Next up is the RockJumper. This is a great everyday carry knife. It's got a handle forward design, Wharncliffe blade in VG10, just really good at slicing through pretty much anything. Light, easy to carry. It also comes in a serrated version, which is especially good for fibrous materials. Last but not least, we have our Ladybug and Manbug. We've been making these for quite some time and they come in a variety of colors, blade shapes, and different steels. The cool thing about these ones is they are in K390. K390 is a non-stainless steel, very, very hard steel, and really transforms these little fifth pocket knives into true cutting machines. If you'd like to find out about any other Spyderco products, check out Spyderco.com. And from all of us at Spyderco, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.